December 27th, 2021, 11:22 in the morning. 49 degrees, raining. Just stopped just for a second. Not even. Dim, right? Yeah, it's pretty wet. .49 is the temperature, and 49 is going to be the high today. So they say. We'll see. A little bit of wind. Still, the weather's not like it should be. It's blowing from the south. It's kind of odd this time of year to be doing that. Yeah, we've been having a little bit of rain, a little bit of water. Good, I'm guessing. As long as we don't flood out, we should be good. Let's see if I get a view with the binocular, but that didn't work out too well. This is going to do it for this morning. I can hear planes flying. Don't see them, but I can hear them. Yeah, see? Wind's going that way. From the south. That's south. Alright, peace out.